Alright, y'all, it's been about 20 minutes since the last little shot. Major accomplishment made. If y'all remember before, if you were paying attention, this was just kind of sitting in here. I'm out of breath, y'all. It's hot. And I'm old. Anyway, major accomplishment is this. What is that? That's the bolt that the spare tire was bolted to. And the reason that was a major hurdle is because I had no way of knowing where it was trying to come up through an amp rack, and I knew I wanted to utilize it to actually bolt the amp rack into place with. And well, I was finally able to do that and get that done. So the amp rack is attached via the spare tire bolt now. And this joker, I mean, other than wood flexing, ain't nothing going nowhere. I mean, I could easily and happily leave it like that, but you know, I put a lot of, I don't know, this topper panel, man. You can see it's actually about that much too big technically, but I did want it to go all the way underneath here. And this little cheap vinyl is bugged there. Sorry about that little wild ride. But anyway, so that's got to get into there. Hey, there's our subwoofer snake. Anyway, yeah, so that means I can finally get this in its permanent place. And everything's snug as a bug in a rug. These little indentions, the only thing bad about foam is when I was riding around without the box and had the woofer wire just sitting in here. That's what happens there. But good thing about foam, guess what? About a week from now, that won't be there no more. Okay, and let's see here. What else?